Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Interesting morning we have here. Let's, Tesla's dropping off, starting to make its pullback moves. Good little start to the year. Let's see. Derek. Hey, what's up, Derek? Chase, good morning. Skittles, good morning. Dang, it's wild. I haven't seen y'all since last year. That's crazy. Yo, hope everyone had a happy new year. Um, yeah, let's try to start this year off right. All right, Mass 3DRC, good morning. Nick's World, good morning, good morning. Or Neek's World. It's probably Neek's World. Yeah. But yeah, good morning. Market's open. Let's see kind of how we do. All right, so we had kind of like a fake out breakout this morning on the SPY. But yeah, it looks like we're coming back down. We'll see if we come retest this kind of support area down here. See if we can come close this gap down to 586. Here, I'm gonna turn the EMAs on. See what kind of energy we get today. Palantir quickly coming to fill in a gap. Here, let me go up to a 5-hour on Palantir. Yeah, we still got Palantir in the downtrend, so I'm not going to try to fight that. I think I actually like a short today. Good morning, Andy. Good morning. All right, Happy New Year. All right, so we got Nvidia going up. All right, so we got a little push and pull in the market. There could be some rotation action going on. Let's see. D Community, good morning. Happy New Year. Lamar, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we got Nvidia testing resistance. We'll see how they hold up here. See if they have some continued momentum. Chase, bro, do you think we will see a reversal to the upside after? I think it's possible. Honestly, we just need to be able to kind of respond to whatever situation we receive. Because it's possible something could kick us off before that, but we would need to be on the downside beforehand. Angel, good morning. Happy New Year. All right. Yeah, so Nvidia, hey, it's starting off kind of hot. Let me check the zone. Let me 1 hour. Yeah, they could be breaking out on the 1 hour. Let me. So there's support down here. There's the next level of resistance. So I don't trust it yet. Black and Wild, good morning. Casey Bass, good morning. Happy New Year, family. Angel, good morning. Happy New Year. Yeah, still got Tesla selling off. They I guess they kind of upset on their delivery numbers, but they need to sell off some more anyway. We zoom out, look at Tesla. I think I have a level on them. Here, let me go out to a weekly. I think I said I wasn't interested in them until like at least like 312. Might be actually like 275. So yeah, if Tesla wants to come down below that, I'm here for it. All right, so the SPY looks like it's coming to fill in this gap. And then it has a lot of support down here at kind of like the 585 level. Looks like I guess I didn't draw that lower level. Let me come in and get that level all in there. I thought I already had my support and I'm over here looking for it. All right, so yeah, we got SPY on the downside, Tesla on the downside, Nvidia is not holding up. So here we'll actually call that resistance for Nvidia. Yeah, as of right now, it looks like puts are the move, so let's see if we get another kind of opportunity. Definitely just missed that first one. Jay said, facts, I'm looking for puts on 380 on Tesla today. Oh yeah, I think it could come a lot lower than that. Let's actually see how much the contracts are going for. I'm sure they're high now. Okay, Apple just hit my buy zone too. Let me check Apple out. See how Apple's looking. This could be our play right here. Oh no, they look like they're gonna keep on going. So yeah, we got Apple selling off. They look like I'm still gonna pay attention to it because on a 4-hour this could still be liquidity. This is kind of a good level of support, so I'm gonna leave Apple here to watch. Lucky J, good morning. Happy New Year. SoFi diving. Hey, we're getting a nice little buying opportunity to start the year off. I like it. Been wanting to buy some. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Here, yes, oh my. Wow. I'm gonna pick up some shares of SoFi right now. I'll pick up like 10 shares right now. Mike, good morning. Been trading XPON TCX. Gene, good morning. Good morning. All right, yeah, we're selling off. Here, let's check PCs. We're still. Has it opened up yet? Oh, we still don't have that on the PC yet. Okay, looks like we just filled this gap on the SPY. Let's watch and see kind of what goes on here. Yeah, Tesla is flushed out this morning. They got those delivery numbers. And yeah, they're just they're down a solid 6%. I think they have a they started a downtrend kind of right here. Here, let's they kind of started their downtrend over here at like 473, and they just kind of been riding since. So yeah, we got a nice little haircut to start out the year. Dang, Palantir got a nice little sell off on that too. Apple. So Apple, I was looking for like a sweep of. We got a lot of liquidity down here. There's a lot of support at this 246 level. I'm really watching Apple on the 4-hour chart, see where it comes. It's like I was really liking this area for a call. And if it stays here and we end up buying up, it might actually be a good area to grab a call. But it's like I'm not just, right now, I'm not trying to just buy into all this strength. And actually, now I'm sitting here looking at the Dixie, it's running up even stronger. So this is bearish right here when you see the Dixie like this. But we do have some data in 5 minutes. What is it? We got final manufacturing PMI in 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Not sure if that could change things at all, but we'll kind of see. Yeah, we're selling off good this morning. Let me pull up the cues. Yeah, so everything's kind of following his downtrend. QBTS. Hey, I'm curious, did any of y'all get the free whatever from Robinhood? I think they gave out Doge or something. Did any of y'all get that? I definitely did not. SMCI. Netflix. Honestly, this is the kind of day I just kind of like wait out. Missed out on Robinhood. Yeah, I missed. Yeah, me too. Here, you said you trade supply and demand concept. Yeah, I trade supply and demand as well as like trend lines. So you see, yeah, this gray zone's a demand. Yeah, so I trade supply and demand and trend lines mostly. And then sometimes I just have the EMAs on here just to, I don't necessarily like trade based off the M&M or EMAs, but they kind of they just give me a little bit of information. Okay, let's say they gave me Doge and Bitcoin for gold. Oh, that would be nice. Yeah, I was definitely asleep for the first one. I was asleep for, and the second one, I just like I had my notifications off for the most of my apps, so because of that, whenever it happened, I wasn't thinking about it. Yeah, Kiera, I'm right there with you. I missed out twice. $6 on Doge. That's nice. Yoko's Larry, good morning. All right, I'm gonna take another bird's eye view. Hold up. So, wait, this was a 1 hour demand zone. I think I'm over here looking like it's a stronger demand zone. So we got one right there. This is a weak kind of demand zone. I miss out. Okay. I missed the second one. Reached out to customer service, and they're sending it. Nice. Ooh, I might have to reach out to customer service. My life be like, good morning, Matthew. How? Yo. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I don't know. All I'm saying is we're getting a beautiful buying opportunity. I should be up already on those SoFi shares I picked up today. Let's see. First purchase of the year. Yeah, I'm already up 2% on those SoFi shares. Not bad, not bad. They gave you $8 in Bitcoin and $6 in Doge. Nice. What is Hood giving at? They were giving stuff out on New Year's. They were giving like free crypto. I bought the 18 strike Mara call expiration for tomorrow. Hey, what's up, Phil Nye? What's up, Phil? For $14 at market open, already doubled. I think I picked up like 10 shares of Mara on the dip. So I'm probably gonna make some kind of profit off that with you. Hey, Happy New Year, New Net. All right. I'm gonna go back to 5, see if we get like some consolidation, or if it turns out to be if it's just like a slowdown. Really trying to get a read on the trend. I did not have I'm trying to be responsible, a little bit more responsible to my portfolio, be a little bit more guarded to start off the year. Give myself some wiggle room later on in the year so I can have another profitable year. Towards the end of the year in one of my portfolios, I was up like, this was a stock portfolio. I was up like, I want to say 50%, but I think I ended up closing up like, I think I got a little reckless the last couple weeks, and that 50% ended up turning to like, I want to say 37. Happy New Year. What's the update on SPY? As of right now, it's in the downtrend. Had a little fake out this morning, but it's still in the downtrend. As for right now, only thing I can really say is I would like to wait and kind of see what's going to go on with this trend. Like I want to find like a point when it could reverse. Higher Big Crew, good morning, family. Lucky J. My stop loss almost got triggered. Stop loss on what? Tom, morning dog. Happy New Year. Wishing you a profitable day and year. Thank God for blessing us with another one. Quick question, brother. Do you have options used personally favor mostly? I don't fully get the way you presented the question. Do you have options used personally favor mostly? That last part, do I have options that I favor mostly? If I don't know what to trade, it's like today my eyes are on the SPY if I'm looking at anything. Like there's so much to trade that a lot's overwhelming. Honestly, I'm trying to do a little bit more sitting on my hands. That way I'm not that way when it's actually there, I can like pull the trigger. Accidentally just sold my put instead of my call. I know how you know how that feels. There was one day, I think it was with Nvidia, I had like some puts. I think I had like 6 puts. And I'm like, why are these contracts not going up? And the video was just falling. I'm like, yo, I should be up a couple thousand right now. And like okay guys, I'm noticing something. All right, hold up. Let's zoom out. Let's look at some things. All right. Let's see. So we got the SPY right here, right? But IWM, here, I'm gonna leave Apple up. Let's oh, I got Apple up twice here. We'll have, so IWM is up 1.1% on the day. We might be getting our rotation. It now might be time to strike on small caps. We might be getting our small cap rotation now. All right, so I think I'm going to go in on that. I think I'm gonna try to, this is a little bit more of a bet. I'm not just going to get a day, but I'm going to look for a call on IWM. And I'm looking to swing it, honestly. I think we might be getting our rotation. Let's see. All right, I think I picked out my contract. Here, let me do a quick check on the. Here, let's look at this. What's today? Here, let's go for. Oh, hold on, IWM selling off again. I still like the idea though. I don't think it's one I'll take profit on today, but I think it's a good one. Yeah, let's get a little pullback. All right. Just picked up a 2:30 IWM call. Paid 96 for it, and it expires on the 13th. Just really want to. I think we might finally be about to get a small cap rally. I want to see how it does over the next week. It looks like it's getting ready to kind of break its resistance. It's kind of outperforming everything on the day, so I think there's potential there. And of course, I want to allow myself a little bit of time, and so just kind of going over the Greeks on that. The theta is like 10. The delta is 22. So that does allow for it to kind of benefit from moving up like more than it would lose each day just from like not moving at all. But yeah, we might be doing our little rotation in the small caps. Let's see how all the other small caps are doing. Yeah, this, once again, that would be also AMD's doing well. Well, NVIDIA's doing well too. Let's see. All right, let's see. Looking at SPY is recovering, but trying to be cautious. Yeah, definitely cautious. Definitely looks good right now on the 5. This would actually be a good spot for the IWM to sell off, or not IWM, SPY. Honestly, looking at IWM, oh, they still have this gap fill on here on the IWM now that I think about it. Down 60% on Palantir. I'm staying in. Here, let's take one more look at Palantir. Where's Palantir? Oh yeah, they're trying to recover. Yeah, I'll just say areas to watch out for. First 75, then 76. 76 is on a 5 minute. That's a supply zone. That's an area we could sell off. All right, IWM testing this level up here. Let's see if they kind of continue the steam. Here, let me actually alert the family about that. I forgot to. Real quick. Yeah, so let's see. Matthew's trades. Just picked up a, was it 230? On IWM that expires on/13. Paid. How much did I pay? $96 per share. All right, so Apple still has this little downtrend going, but this could still be the buy for Apple, targeting the upside. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, Azure, good morning. IWM needs to get above 230 or 223.70, which was the pre-market high. Hey, which is looking good right now. Let's see if it holds. Trying not to revenge trade is my first real loss. When this happens, would you walk away? So I would have to see how I feel. Like if I feel like, yo, that kind of devastated me, yeah, I would have to walk away. If it's like I feel okay. I don't know, if you say it's your first one, I would kind of walk away, leave it alone. You know, probably go hop on and play some games or something. Josh, good morning. Happy New Year. Appreciate you, Josh. Happy New Year. All my stocks are green right now. This is weird. Here, let me take a look at mine. Low key, I saw a lot of green in my portfolio, but it's like I saw a lot of red this morning. I got Tesla in my portfolio, so Tesla is not green. I don't think SoFi is green on the day, but it's green from where I bought it, so that's green too. Yeah, everything in my portfolio is green on the day other than Tesla. So I guess I'm right there with you. And like actually, if you look at SPY's in the green, so. But this is very confusing because we got the Dixie running up. That would lead us to believe we should be selling off. Let's see. Oh, Lucky J, hit the like button. It's a new year. Oh yeah, be sure to hit the like button, y'all. Got in on a call on SPY because I saw a support level. SPY also looks like it's about to. It looks like it's going above this trend line again too. It's testing it, or it's testing the 200 moving average on the 15. We'll have to see. Lamar took a trade on Nvidia up 81%. Nice. Let's see. Will Tesla continue to crash today? I'm not sure about today, but I expect Tesla to kind of go on a descent. Let's see. Where's Tesla? So like if you zoom out on Tesla, it's like they got a downtrend they started, so they had all this going up. But like if you really zoom out and look, they're still, like, depending on what time frame you're looking on, they're still in an uptrend. They just had like a strong upturn. Next kind of level to watch out for, it looks like, is going to be around like 360, 370. But I would imagine some point they come back to 270 before, or maybe they come back to that range like before the end of March. So that would be no surprise to me. I think Tesla will kind of continue to make its way down. Maybe it can kind of find a little bit of support at this 260, 250, kind of come up a little bit, and then kind of make another wave back down. We'll kind of see. It's on the day though. It'll be kind of hard to tell. As of right now, like on the 5 minute, they're in a downtrend. So this would actually be like, if they're going to continue down, they haven't like really showed that they're in an uptrend yet on any higher time frames. If they're going to continue down, this would be like where you want to buy downside. Let's see. That's your take on this buy? Do you think we're going to? So I say if we can hold above this like 590.50 area, if we hold above this 89.50 area, if we can hold or get above this, yeah, I think we'll at least go to 592 at least. But honestly, we'll have to see. Because honestly, today just looks like a good just opportunity to buy the dip. We'll get some more data tomorrow. I think we have a PCI tomorrow, so we'll have some more data coming in, and they'll kind of give us a little bit more of a heads up on what to expect. But I personally like the sell off to start the year. Is that a bull flag forming on Intel for the 1 day chart? Let's see. When you say 1 day chart, are you like on that chart that like if I were down here and it says 1 day, and this is like it looks like it actually has me on the 1 minute, because if I click on 1 day, it's like 1 day and 1 minute. Let me know. I mean, this does seem like a bull flag, but yeah, I don't like to look on the 1 minute. But yeah, could be. But I don't like the way Intel moves on like lower time frames, so it's not my thing. Nvidia once again going for it. Higher bit crew, it did. I'm kind of surprised today is green. Yeah, the market is definitely full of surprises. It's like whenever you think you got it, nah, I throw something else at you. I was surprised the last day last year was blue or red, but oh, it is what it is. 89 viewers and 29 or 27 likes. Let's hit the like and get that math right. Oh yeah, y'all be sure to smash the like button. Yeah, Get that ratio right. Henry, good morning. Good morning. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all showing up. Yeah, also hope y'all all had a good New Year's. If any of y'all did anything interesting for New Year's, hey, be sure to share. Happy New Year, Natalie. Yeah, be sure to share. I'm gonna let y'all know I slept. My wife and I, like, we played some pool. Then we went to Target for a little bit. But yeah, ultimately we slept. Like, we went to bed an hour before New Year's. All right, Nvidia looks like it's ready to go as well. Potentially. Let's see if we get see if we can this candle lives up here completely. Honestly, it needs to come back and fill this gap, so maybe not yet, but it looked like they, hold on, oh wait, that's a new. It looked like they have what's their volume? They used to show me their volume. All right, let's look at the indexes again. Oh, we low-key still need to pull back to like 223 on the IWM. All right, here, let's go to the 15-minute on everything. Sometime these lower time frames. Oh yeah, Nvidia's going. Yeah, let's see if Nvidia goes up. J Wells, I was downtown Chicago. Like, you were down. Like, did they have like a celebration event, like a ball drop kind of thing? You said SPY is off. Kinda. Hey, it looks like right now. It looks like they're trying to fake us out. Like, they kind of broke that level. It'll probably end up coming up there, but it looks like they're trying to fake us out right now. Wow, Kyle, that's crazy. Low key, Kyle. Hold on one second. Let me make sure you're the Kyle I'm thinking of. Cause the last name's not holding up, but there is a Kyle in mind. Let's see what's popping real quick. Wait, do you have socials? I don't think I only have LinkedIn. All right, here, I got you right now. Like, I just want to make sure, because it's like, are you the Kyle I was close to, or a Kyle I was friendly with? And hey, when I say friendly, hey, don't get the wrong idea, y'all. Just gonna say that right there. T bar M. So just so y'all know, I am a man of faith. You know, everything that I do, I'm not trying to push my religion on y'all, but I put my faith in the Lord, and it's like you know, it kind of leads everything I do. And I want to say it was in like 2018 maybe. That summer I what was it? So I worked at this, it's like a Christian campus called T Bar M, and essentially Yeah, it's like a Christian summer camp, and I was like a coach there, and I was actually someone that would like go and set it up at different churches every week. So we would travel and like stay with different people. Most of it was like kind of throughout Houston and like not East Texas, but yeah, West Texas. But yeah, just kind of go do that for the summer. And y'all, I was, hey, making next to nothing, but definitely a lot of fun. Definitely good times. Definitely hard work as well, though. Here, let's see. Yeah, I gotta get on LinkedIn. Let me check real quick. I feel like you're the Kyle I'm thinking of. Let's see. Oh yeah, 100%. Yes, Cub leader Kyle. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, I was like low key. If you were another Kyle, I was like, yo, I do not know who this is, but I'm glad. Yeah, what's up, Kyle? Hey, glad to see you're doing well. Might need to here. Let me add you. I'm gonna send you the connection right now. My LinkedIn profile is not anything crazy because I don't think I've ever had like a real job, but yeah, good stuff. Let me get in here. Look at these comments. Okay, let's see. Checking in from College Station. Hey, that's what's up, Joseph. Hey, so yeah, I used to go out to A&M occasionally on the weekends. It was about like an hour or two from my college. I went to SFA, so yeah, we would go out there. Yeah, I'm on LinkedIn. If y'all want to add me or if y'all want to connect, hey, go ahead, let's connect. I don't really like utilize LinkedIn, but yeah, I'm down to make some connections. Oh no, yeah, Kyle's real cool. Let me tell y'all. Yeah, Kyle's that guy. Yeah, that's crazy though. All right, let's see. Nice. I'm a PV. Is that a Prairie View? Appreciate that, Kyle. All right, so let's see. All right, so Nvidia is kind of like Nvidia is the only one that like looks like it's going. I think today is going to be kind of bullish, but we'll have to see. Nice. We definitely played them. My wife played tennis, and I definitely remember them coming to play us at our school. So yeah, I'm not sure if we were in the same conference or if that was just kind of like more preseason, but I know our schools definitely competed against each other. Yeah, this is a small world. It's wild. On the 1 week, it was down, trying to push. What stock are you talking about? Uh, Lamar, what are you? Ooh, Carvana. Let's see what's going on with Carvana. 186. They popped up. Here, let's go to a 5. Market. What's going on with Carvana? Hindenburg Research. They definitely have some volume right now. Is Carvana, hold on, what's their market cap? I don't think they're considered to be a small cap. Let's go up to like a, let's go up to a 4-hour chart. All right, so they got a little pop. They have some volume too. Honestly, this would be like, here, let's see if they tapped into something. So there is like a lot of support down at this kind of 188 level. Here, let me go to a weekly. I mean, it's kind of like they swept this level right here. This could, oh, that could be a move. Let's let me run an optimization. Hold on 1 second. Amazon. Hold up. What happened with Amazon? On the 1 week, it was a downtrend. Okay. Chile in Florida. Oh, need those. Okay, so my wife says she got them off Redbubble, so you might need to just, oh, you might just need to search for them because they weren't. I don't think there was a link. And T, you already married? I was trying to hook my sister-in-law with. Oh no, yeah, I've been married since 2020. Yeah, yeah, very much so married here. Yeah, try to swat the women away over here. So, cause I'm taken, man. All right, this Carvana looks interesting. I say let's pull up the derive and run an optimization on it. I feel like they could be a good what is it? I'm gonna actually talk to Ada. Divine, good morning, good morning. Yeah, STI trying to recover. We'll pull that up. I'm gonna run an optimization real quick. Oh, STI, that STI. Their volume's kind of low though. I mean, they had some. Hold up. Yeah, the volume they're trading with is kind of low. I mean, they could move up some more, but their volume didn't look that high. What was I trying to analyze? Carvana? Here, actually, let me check and see if it's popped up on the screener at all. All right, so PayPal, Microsoft, IWM. Oh, they got a put on IWM. What time frame was that on? Oh, that says it's a position. Oh, we'll see who turns out being right. Just joking. Was keep holding the family down just like I'm doing here. What is Wolf Speed? What's the ticker for that? I'm gonna call on. Okay. King Mano, good morning. Bought puts. They're still. Hey, I'm glad to hear your puts are green. Okay, okay. So I don't see any like screener opportunities. I'm gonna optimize for what is it? tell Ada to find position trades for Carvana. I'm still running QuantumScape and jumped on Faraday Future during the dip. I hadn't been back in since I took those profits. All right, so kind of looking at things, looking at the SPY. So we did not get above that 200 EMA. Now we're coming back down to test this trend line as a support. Here, I'm gonna get rid of. No, I'm not. But we're coming back down to test this trend line as support. If we end up breaking below it, looks like we're still trending down, and we could come make another low. All right, but one thing I'm saying is, oh dang, we're coming down on IWM too. We got all our gaps filled in though. All right, so they finished this optimization based on the market research. Here, I'm gonna say analyze Carvana because I don't like what I saw. Don't think I asked the right question. I bought, okay. Still running QS and jumped on, okay. New Congress, HOTMA guidelines coming into effect. Cure rent helps landlords prepare. Is that an ad? What is cure rent? What's going on there? Like, please explain what that means. Cause I'm scratching my head right now. I'm not literally scratching my head, but like I'm scratching my head. All right, may have gotten faked out. Let's see. Oh, we still didn't. Yeah, I may have gotten on the IWM. Let's see. Cause I saw this gap, but I kind of missed this one. Yeah, it's still there too. Okay. Okay, so Carvana is still showing to be very oversold. Very high option. Oh, okay. They got an extremely high put to call ratio. So they were being like heavily shorted on so bullish. Okay. Yeah, let me just kind of like show y'all this real quick. So they kind of had a lot going for them, Carvana. All right, so I said to, I think I said analyze Carvana. So here are kind of the technical supports: 197, resistance 226, RSI is oversold, and yeah, when I'll normally tell you when the PCE gets above like 1 that they're gonna like run it up, but Carvana's at like 4.97. Hold on, I'm going to get rid of that current thing because did not explain itself. Ended up selling the Mara call in profit, 14 into 45. Nice. That's like what's that, 300%? Nice, Philip. What do you guys trade on? I trade on Moomoo. I trade on Robinhood, and like I'll trade stocks on interactive brokers. What's happening to Nike right now? Yo, there's like too many stocks to watch. Hey, it's just a buying opportunity. I'm not really loving how this morning, like, starting out. Here, I'm gonna get rid of the EMAs for now. I got like too much going on my charts. RH. Are you talking about restoration hardware? It's not one I normally trade. Oh, Robinhood. I only have a phone, so I can't trade ticker. I wish I can. I do Robinhood. You still have one more day. You have to be patient on some contracts. If SPY doesn't break that previous support, is it likely to consolidate or move back up? So here, let's do another kind of analysis on things. So let's go to a 4-hour chart. So right now, it's like, yeah, right now the range on the SPY is going to be from kind of this a little under 585 up to 592. They came in, filled their gap. So I'm honestly led to believe that we're gonna come up. But let's look at this RSI too. We're closer to being oversold than overbought. We do have a higher time frame demand zone, so we could. It's like, honestly, right here, we're directly in the middle. Here, let's, like, if you think about it, let me clear that out. That is not what I meant to do. It's annoying how that pops up. But if you think about it, we got our range right here. Bottom half. This would be ideally. This is going to be kind of where you buy calls for upside. And then when we're in the top half of it, this is where you would look to kind of play downside. And then when you're in the middle, kind of like where we are right now, this is where we're kind of uncertain and we kind of just wait. So it's like over here at this extreme over here, hey, we're better off buying calls 9 times out of 10. Up here, we're better off kind of grabbing puts until we get a break. Here, let's see. Let's see. Any long trade on NVIDIA? Please share your thoughts. So I think NVIDIA could do well, but it's like we need some sort of catalyst. We have a PCE tomorrow, but as of right now, I don't think we really have anything going for it until, like, other than the fact that it's the new year. If that's not really going to do anything for stocks, then yeah, we don't. There shouldn't be a reason for Nvidia to go up today. If the market goes up as a whole, then that's cool. But here, let's see. I see some news on Nvidia. I see Nvidia is Bank of America's top tech pick for 2025 with a target of 190. So that shows 39% upside. I mean, that's the most positive thing I see for it, but I don't see anything else kind of saying like, hey, Nvidia needs to go up. Here, I'm gonna take what is this? I'm gonna take, what is it, Carvana? Go for like January 17th. Oh, these contracts are expensive. Or no, there's a lot of slippage on these contracts. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at these Carvanas. I don't like the way the contracts trade. All right, let's see. Move trade. I should have done a put on Nike. They have my Roth IRA in shambles. Yeah, so that's actually a protection kind of play right there. If you have a bunch of shares and you buy a put, that's called hedging. So yeah, that's how you make money as your stuff goes down and you still benefit from it, and then you can take your profits from your put and then buy more shares, and it's like it works out. All right, so just a quick kind of check in on like the indicators. We still have the US dollar. It's kind of been running up like crazy today. Like looking right here. Here, let's go to like, it's like running like really, really steep. It doesn't usually move like this. So yeah, US dollar is running today. So actually that's very bearish. Let's see. I have a put and a long in the money. I'm holding to highs right now. I'm selling right now. They're dancing too much. What do you think about Amazon? Here, let's see. I mean, it's a good stock. Let's look on the day. Oh, they got support at 220. They kind of, yeah, they didn't even really gap up. So there's room to move. They appear to have broken their trend line. So I think right now we're just waiting for a catalyst, because there's nothing really going on. I think I'm gonna end up giving it a break down here. Here, let's see. CES 2025. Ooh, nice. Hey, that'll probably boost AMD too. I'm here for it. Apple is it still at 245? So Apple, here, let's take another look at Apple as well. Where is it? So as of right now, yeah, so depending on how this candle closes, if this ends up being like a wick and it ends up pushing up, Oh, this could be a good point to buy Apple, but as of right now, I'm not really liking anything where it stands. It's like I may have jumped a little on the IWM. Honestly, it could consolidate a lot longer. Here, let's see. Nvidia, Snap. Let's see. Snap's one I'm not usually too big on. Let's see. So yeah, there's a lot of consolidation in this. Here, let's zoom out some more. Oh, they got support. I'll say kind of around this 260 level. That's a weekly support. Oh, I don't have much to really say here about the way they move. Like I could say their current range, I would say resistance is going to be about 1120, and I would have support at about, let's go 1175, but above 1120 looks like the next level is about 1138 or 1140. But yeah, it's like really with stuff like this, you gotta play level to level, and beyond that, like if we were to turn on the EMAs and whatnot. Oh wait. Yeah, it's in the downtrend, like on the 4 hour. Like if I were looking at the EMAs, I would say it could have a hard time at 1120, and then once again closer to that 1140 area. It's a good chance. Another area that it could kind of fall off. Here, let's see. Jesus of Nazareth is king. I don't trade Carvana because of high premiums. Never. So, yeah, I don't really ever trade Carvana either. I mean, I have before, but I don't really typically trade them. Let's see. Yeah, their premiums high, and then also like the spread, like the bid to ask spread, is too wide. I don't like it. High volatility. So Apple's in the buy range for sure. I agree with you. I want to see kind of like how it holds here, but I was like, yo, anywhere from this 249 to like I was watching like 246, even right here. That's a good buy. This might end up being like the perfect spot to buy, but this could also be like, yo, they sell off from here, and it's like, oh, they broke your zone, so why'd you get in so late? So I'm waiting right here, but it could be the move. Seems like we're going back to that previous low on SPY. Like this one? Yeah, that would make sense. So, yeah, it would make sense. Right now, we're still. Actually, hold up. So, we had a nice little uptrend. We kind of broke that, sold off, got a range at first side. I don't know. It's like after this point right here, the SPY got really choppy. So now it's not like a clear as day kind of telling. That's when I started kind of looking at it on a lower time frame. So right now on the 1 hour, we're still bearish, and this would be the range from 590, just about 598 down to like this 584.37 area. While we're in here, we're really just still. Oh, hold up. On a 1 hour chart, yeah, this would have been. I should have grabbed like a I actually should have grabbed the put over here. That would have paid. I wish I would have charted that. What time did this hit? Oh, that was pre-market. Okay, I wouldn't have done that anyway. But yeah, on the kind of looking at that, we would expect to move back to this low, yeah. So SPY, like had I fully like paid attention and charted that, yeah. So what happened here? Let me actually draw it out for y'all. I'm gonna clear this other stuff up. Show y'all the setup. So yeah, we got the trend line. That's not necessarily a part of what I see, but here I'm gonna clear that out too, because that's not relevant. And then we see that look. Oh, hold up. So yeah, looking at it, we got a range right here. This is like the current range on the 1 hour. I'm gonna make that let's make that like purple just to make it stick out. So this is a range. While we're still kind of moving in this, we're still bearish. So this is the bearish range until we either break past like, I guess like this above this right here would be bullish, and below this right here would create a new range. And the trade that is here, there is some liquidity from this move right here that could have been identified had I been paying attention. And this would be this little move right here, this little sweep would have been the entry. And from here, the move would be to target this right here. So now from here, all we can do is see if it plays out. But I guess, yeah, I recognize this too late. I was looking at too much, doing too much. And that was a kind of textbook right there. But honestly, really couldn't have taken advantage of it until like over here anyway. So that's why I didn't see or catch that. But yeah, it should at least come to this 584 level. It'll probably end up going a little past it. If not further past it, maybe we come down. Yeah, we're coming down though. Okay, hold on. Good morning. Do you have any videos on Roth IRA? Not specifically, but I would love to. Let me know what you want to know about it. I was thinking about like, is actually something I had on my mind. It's like the beginning of the year, and I was thinking about making a video on Roth IRAs, and I think this would be a great time to kind of, I guess, do that. So the more questions you have, probably the more specific and better I can make it. So that'd be cool. What's good? I don't mess with the Vega at all. Vega is, I look at the theta and I look at the delta and I look at the theta. Vega is the Greek I don't really mess with. What's the IWM expiration date? I got like a January 13th to give it time. But if I were to get in it, I wouldn't get in that trade right now. It's like you could watch it, but there's more than likely going to be opportunity for a better entry. Let me take a look at IWM on the 1 hour too. See if there's anything similar. So we got this bearish range. Ooh, ooh. I think we're technically bullish on IWM. I think they got like a little bullish range right here. Let's see. That was a bullish range. And then everything else kind of looks like chop. It's like we did come up here a little bit, but I would say the range on IWM is still bullish. We'll have to see. Do you think we in the over evaluation era like 2021? Because ain't no way Snap was $87. So hey, Snap was so I think there was like some good metrics that looked promising. So it's like the market, I don't know, it likes to price in things for the future. So like when you look at like a Meta or a Tesla or Palantir, it's not priced on the money it makes right now, it's priced on the value like it could have. So it was like on the trajectory that Snap was on, it looked like they could have been worth that, but they didn't really hold up and keep that momentum. So yeah, they came back down. In SMH, a good buy for a month loan. Oh, this is a semiconductor ETF. I mean, honestly, so I'm gonna let you know I don't know, but like based off of kind of how I feel about things, me looking at like I bought like a, once again I guess it's called a skip, but I bought a skip on AMD. I would think over like the next few months we're gonna run up on the semis, so I would think so, but you said a month long. I don't know. Like I would say the more time you give yourself, the better your odds of being right. I'll let you know my AMD play, I got like 3 months on it. Let's see. QUBT jumped from $2 to 20 because one that's, yeah. So yeah, that's coming down. So it's like I want in on that. Like I want in on that, but I'm personally not interested. I think not until this 872 level. Like I know for sure they're going to come back to this level. Maybe slide that up a little bit up to this 923 level just because I see that liquidity there. But yeah, they're definitely going to come back. And it's like, yeah, I want nothing to do with them up here. I want to, my thing is like, hey, I might scoop up 100 shares when they come down here. And like I might, like once they double up, I might sell out a half of them and then let the rest kind of do their thing. Let's see. IWM call. So I like calls on IWM. My only thing is, like I thought IWM was ready to take off. Looking at the 1 hour, I do see kind of a good indication right here. We got the EMAs crossing for the first time since the 24th when they kind of fell down. So that's a good sign. So I kind of like the idea. I did, yeah, but I did grab a call. Mahishu, good morning. Happy New Year. JP, good morning. Started out the new year with some baby. Hey, that's what's up. Get lunch with that. For you and a couple friends, depending on where you eat. Matthew, do you trade on all three platforms? I don't trade on Webull anymore. Uh it's been a few years since I've traded on Webull. So I would say most of the options I trade are on Robinhood. I still trade options on Moomoo too. And then I have other platforms like Interactive Brokers. And then we were talking about SoFi on Friday as well. Yeah, I have some on SoFi too. Not that much, but yeah, I have some on SoFi. FFIE. So FFIE is looking good on the day. Like it's doing good. Can you give me a quick rundown on Theta and Delta? I've just been okay. So actually, y'all, I made this little thing, like this kind of like cheat sheet. Here, let's see. See if I can find it. I like put it in my notes. Okay. Alright, so this isn't not anything like fully official. I didn't fully get their wording right. I was gonna make like a video from it, and it's like I still plan to at some point, but just kind of going over it. So when it comes to kind of looking at the delta and theta, you're kind of gonna look for different things at different kind of points in time. So if you're looking for here, let me change leaps to skips. But if you're hold on. But yeah, if you're trying to get time, since it's lower risk, the delta is going to be, hold on. Okay, really this is kind of talking more about the delta, but the delta is going to be how much it changes per every dollar of movement. So if, like for instance, if the stock moves up $1, then if the delta is 30, it's going to move up. The contract's going to increase by $30 for every dollar the stock moves up. If it's 50, the contract's going to move for $50 every dollar the stock moves up. And if it's like 80, it's going to move up $80 for every dollar the stock moves. So things associated with that, you'll notice I have budget, balling, or standard and balling. More of a budget contract's going to be grabbing the one around 30 because it's going to be cheaper in cost, but also as you get more time, it's going to cost a lot more too. So the theta is going to be how much value it loses to time each day, and the more time you have on it, the lower that theta is typically going to be, and then the closer to expiration, that theta is going to get higher. But like kind of a good kind of in between for longer options contracts, it's like 50. And then if you have the money, you have the budget, and you want to see the most dollar movement you can, yeah, get like 80 or better, and you'll really see it move. But yeah, I think I was still trying to figure out how to incorporate the theta into that, but yeah, that's something I kind of intended on making later on. Interested in all info, I would appreciate that type. Okay, I'm gonna say, and that's very broad, but hey, yeah, I was just gonna make a video on how to like max it out, but I can also kind of talk about some of the bases. What's up, brother? 2 weeks in. Thanks to you, went from 130 to 500. Hey, nice. They love to hear that, Quentin. What's AIM? What is AMD? So I think the AMD I got like a 135 call. I'm pretty sure I'm down on it. I think last I saw I was down like 100 because I think I grabbed it on Thursday. Let me look. Yeah, so I grabbed like a AMD 135 call for March 31st. I paid 720 and it's currently at 613. So yeah, I'm down like I think it's at 15%. Let me see. I'm down 14.58% on it. So I just grabbed one though. Jada, good morning. I think I'm getting to these late, but good morning, Jada. No, I don't scalp like that. I have a margin account right now, so not really doing it. Don't take my word for it, but I think a lot of this quantum stuff is fast popping bubble. It will crash quick, down big time before new highs when it's actually. I'm with you, Philip. It's like I think quantum will be huge, but yeah, I don't want to buy it up here. I want to buy it on like a considerable dip because it's like the same way that Palantir has gone on a crazy run. Like if we look at the chart for Palantir, like here, let's see. Let's go to a weekly. I remember Palantir being $40 before I bought it at 8. All right, so yeah, Palantir ran up. I think I actually like got in on Palantir around like 20 something once, and then I rode up and sold it to like 40. And like honestly, I don't think I know what I was doing, but I was like, oh, I'm up 100%. Let me sell out of that. And then like I had no dealings with it. And I'm like, oh dang, I'm glad I sold out. And like I guess kind of more in this region, I was kind of starting to know more about the technicals and know more of what I was doing. So yeah, I think probably like early 2023 I started picking it up around. No, maybe it may have been like I guess mid 2023 I was picking it up because I had picked it up in the 8s. But yeah, that $47 target, I knew it would eventually get back there. Or I had strong hope. But it took a long time to come back. Angie, good morning. Spy looking. So right now, what I have charted, so it's technically in the bearish range. I have it charted on the 1 hour just because I don't know, what it was looking like on the 4 hour had me kind of confused, messed up. But yeah, on the 1 hour, from what I have charted, it would lead me to believe that we had some liquidity here. We kind of came up and swept it. My target was for it to come down here, but it's also possible that it comes up because it did come and close that gap. But as of right now, while it's still making like new lower candles, I would watch for it to kind of come and make a new low, or kind of my target would be this right here. So I would say it's kind of bearish right now. And then also if we look at the Dixie is rising, so that's bearish as well. So I would say it's bearish. No, yeah, I'm 100% with you, Philip. Why do you stop trading on Webull? So Webull, I don't know what they used to like. There used to be like I used to have a representative for Webull that used to reach out to me, communicate things to me. I used to, like, I don't know, they used to communicate with me and used to like me. They used to like send me stuff, and I don't know, nothing ever happened, but nothing ever happened between me and like the like people I had communication with, but it was just like one day they just randomly started. They took my ability away to get free options quotes. I remember there was one morning I was watching a contract, and it should have. I didn't find out till after the fact, but I'm like, yo, this contract's not moving. My order should be filled. But it was like that morning they removed my ability to get live options quotes. So it's like now you have to pay for it on Moomoo, or not Moomoo, on Weeble, and it's like on Robinhood and on Moomoo you don't have to pay for live options quotes. So it's like I just don't want to pay for live options quotes. So that's it pretty much. But yeah, I remember the trade. I would have made like I would have taken like $100 to over 3,000 on Meta. I'm not sure if it was a call or a put, but it was on Meta. And like I was like so ready. I'm like, why is my order not being filled? And it's like the prices that the actual contract was going for was way different from what I was seeing. All right, let's see. Like my delta to be at least 80. And guitar guy, I see you like the balling contracts. SPY's going back up. Seems it did break that previous low. Is there a way you can share other than you screenshotting? Oh, you said to save to your notes? I would say not yet, Jada. Other than you screenshotting what you saw, not yet. I don't want to share it because I would say it's not complete. Like I still want to work in some things to that. So just because it's not complete yet, I don't want to share it. But if you want to like come back to that and like take a screenshot, I have no problem with that. It's just like I don't think it's good enough yet. I appreciate you, Skittles. It's turning. Hey, I'm lost. We've covered a lot of ground. What is it in turning? What is it? What's turning? Hold on. Let me go back to a lower time frame. Oh, it's not that low, but so just a thought. Wait, hold on. Why is this Tesla trend line so steep? Alright, so I don't know why I have this trend line drawn like this. I might draw it a little more like, let's go to like a 4. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, just a thought. Next time, see Tesla touch this trend line, it might be money. Oh look, SPY is still kind of moving towards that. Yes. I would love to learn and comprehend this. Hey, I would start with support and resistance. Can you please comment on Dixie a January? So I don't honestly I don't know how to trade the Dixie. I watch how it moves, but I don't know how to trade it. I would say it's not one that I would. It's not one I would trade because it's. I don't even know what's going on right now. The Dixie is going crazy. Like there's something going on economically. I don't know what it is, but there's stocks climb, dollar hits 2-year climb. So yeah, this is bearish though. Yeah, the Dixie is like running like crazy. So it's going to make it look like stocks are being devalued. Let's see. Anyone interested in a slow growing and safe company with a 14% dividend? Now that's just something that doesn't sound like it goes together, but if it is, hey, let's see. Slow growing and wait. Safe company. Here, let's check it out. Interesting. Wait, so this was back in February 20th? I'm gonna leave it at interesting. It's like I've been taught that typically above, what is it? Typically above like 8%. Considered a little bit riskier for dividends, but got your position. All right, let's see. I think Robinhood might. So I also think Robinhood is a good investment. Robinhood is finally doing things to grow, and I think they could come out to be like a good, strong brokerage. Like they are. Yeah, they Robinhood looks like a good investment. I think so. Anyone here? CTM. Next pound. Let's see. It's crazy. Like y'all throw all these tickers at me, right? And hold on, let's see. What do they do? What do they do? Okay, so they recently have a. What do they do? Yeah, let me add this to the list and like flag it or something, cause I'm gonna just add that on there to remind myself, hey, let's do some research on that, cause I'm gonna forget about that. I paid $3.28 for monthly for live quotes on Webull. Hey, as long as you're cool with it, it's all good. My thing was I just didn't feel good about, like, I didn't even get a message that, hey, we're just gonna take this away and you need to start paying for it. They just kind of did it. So it's like they kind of left a bad feeling, a bad taste in my mouth, and I was like, yeah, there are other platforms. So I was like, yo, let's go. It's like, honestly, if Webull came around and like did something groundbreaking that Moomoo or Robinhood couldn't do, I would go right back. But I just haven't needed to, so I just haven't. Don't like Robinhood because can't get approved for option, but it's okay. That's so weird. That's so weird. Like this. Oh, it's like I almost feel like it's too easy to get approved for options on Robinhood. There must have been like something that like flagged your account. Have you ever talked to customer support? Dixie is Bull Sky Zone. I have no. Yeah, I have nothing to. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. It's like we're on a 1 week chart. I remember being back up here at like 114. And now the dollar is strengthening, and that's kind of a good and bad thing. Cause it's like if you have money, like down here, this is like we're literally watching deflation occur. The value of the dollar is deflating. The dollar is gaining in value. Like back when the dollar actually held value back in the day, there was a point in the time when the dollar was worth 163. So it's like thinking about it, this could be like good for this could be good for the economy, but this could also be negative for the market at the same time. Ideally, though, in the best kind of market or the best kind of economy, we get the value of the dollar going up. So hopefully we hold a lot of dollars. This would be, back when they used to say cash is king, this would be a cash is king situation because the value of our dollar is increasing. That is kind of one of the effects of Trump being in office. If we really do all of these, what are they called? The taxes on everyone, like all the tariffs. If he really does do all the tariffs, that would be a benefit. And it's like if other companies are actually able to still like kind of drive their revenue, that would be an optimal situation. But if we just get the value of the dollar increasing, that's not going to be the best for stocks. All right, let's see. Do you think DJT will have a slow melt up during? Oh, so honestly, with DJT, I don't fully know the way it moves. I just know like below like $15, that's the area I like to pick it up. But like it's like the way it moves has never made any sense to me. Like you see right here, I tried to draw a trend line on it. That's a weekly trend line. Oh no, that's an hour. But it's like I've tried to draw trend lines on it. Oh wait, hold on. That's not DJT. Hold up. Let's go. Where's DJT? Yeah, so the way DJT moves has never made sense to me. So it's like I cannot I can't really say anything about it that I think would be helpful other than like whenever you see it so low and there's a good chance it goes higher, buy it. But beyond that, I cannot say. Okay, Nvidia looks like it's trying to hold up. Let's see. Oh no, I had the level at like 138 being resistance. So Nvidia is just consolidating. Hi, did you? So no, I did not get the Robinhood gift. I didn't get either one of them. They had two, and it's like I guess you had to be right on the screen when it happens, and it's like, unfortunately, like I think it's very good that I am very present in my life, and I try to, wherever I am, I try to be there. But it's like because of that, I don't have my notifications on, and like whenever the countdown was at midnight, I was not there. They had another one during the day yesterday. I was like, I had my phone on me, but I did not look at it. I was not on the screen during that time, so I missed out. I just got an ad talking about using dark pool data. I thought it was fake, but it's real. I wish it was free because I want to see if AI is good. Yeah, dark pools, they're not something I understand, but yeah, they're definitely a thing. But yeah, I don't like being real. I don't fully understand. Can someone do a piece on GUR stock? Gorilla, is that a real ticker? Interesting. Let's look at it on the weekly. Yeah, it's catching a lot of volume. What is? I don't like all this over here. They probably had some stock splits. They have some kind of turnaround. They had earnings. Announces 2 new contracts in Taiwan. Shares rise P Bell. What does GER do? Technology services. Apparently they're a strong buy right now. Analysts rate them strong buy. I guess they're trading 36% below their target 1-year price. No, or maybe they're, but I don't know. They actually, I think they're considered to be like, I think they're trading well above what their 1-year target is. But let's see. Go SoFi, good time to pick a call base. So I picked up some shares. SoFi. Honestly, I would have thought SoFi went crazy, but it is at this demand zone. But there is also here. Let's go to a weekly. I mean, there's also a long way it could fall. It's like I thought it. Honestly, I thought it would have powered more into the end of the year, but that's not the way it played out. Like looking at the weekly chart, I would think there was a time in the future that it at least came back down to about 850, just because of gaps and whatnot. It's like how long it'll take, there's no telling, but yeah, it's like we left like Earth like that. Can you repeat that about my Robinhood option approval I got? Oh, so I was just asking if you've like messaged to them. Said it's so weird because Robinhood, I feel like it's almost too easy to get approved for them. I feel like they may have flagged your account for something, and it's like you may have to like if you haven't like talked to customer service, but yeah, honestly, I don't know what to say about that. That's weird. Still holding GEVO. Yeah, I am. Let's see how GEVO is looking right now. It's in the green today. I'm up 18% since I grabbed it from your mentioning. So thank you, Skittles. Skittles out here giving back to the community. What do you think about SoFi? I took a call from the downgrade. Well, I picked up 10 shares this morning, around like $14.10. Well, actually, I just showed y'all what I thought about SoFi. So SoFi, I think SoFi is worth a lot more than it's trading for, but I think I would honestly below $10. I like picking it up. I'm not I'll continue to buy as it falls. Like something dramatic would have to. Oh, hold up. I'm seeing they still got a gap to like this 546 level too. That's like a really small gap on the weekly. So yeah, if they want to like come fill that in too, yeah, I'll go crazy. My portfolio is probably gonna start the year off very red, or at least stock wise, because it looks like we have a lot to like pull back on. Really big fan of KULR too. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people talking about that. I've like taken some looks at it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's pulled back. That's good. That's good because I said okay. Let me flag this one too. Need to take these later and move them somewhere. I'm not going to be able to get too much work done today, though. Just a heads up. Like, I know I was talking about videos. I'm probably not going to be able to make anything today. Supposed to go somewhere not too long after this stream. So LAES. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's more quantum. Yo, I need more money. Honestly, I just want to... Here, let's go out to a weekly on this as well. I just want to buy the inefficiencies. So it's like... This will come back to like a $2 level at some point. So I just got my alert there. And whenever it comes back, you know, maybe I come scoop some up. There's also actually a good chance it'll come back down to 60. But yeah, it's like really the lower you get in, the better your odds. So it's like with the ones that are less proven like this, yo, there's probably great potential. Like it's not out of the water for it to come back up to this 28 level. But if you can get in at an average of like 65 cents as opposed to an average of $10, that's like a night and day difference. Robinhood have changed how you can apply for options. Really? My thoughts on SoundHound. This is going to be one that good money is made on. But once again, I'm looking for a pullback. I don't know why I have it at 940, but honestly, here, let's say like $8. That's what I'm gonna wait for it. But there's plenty of money we have right now. It's in an uptrend if it pulls back to this. But yeah, I really just want to I want to get in and steal stuff like I did with Tesla. I'm not up like a crazy amount on PayPal, but I still feel like I've been stealing PayPal too. Like I think I'm up like probably about 30%. And I think PayPal still has a long way to move before it kind of does what I expected to do. Yeah, I contacted Robinhood, but they said once I'm on a margin account, I have to deposit. That's wild. That's very wild. On GEVO, did you get in on our call or put? So I actually it's like the contract with the stock is so cheap that I just bought 100 shares. It's like when you have stuff that's that low, sometimes it's more beneficial to actually just buy the shares. Could you explain how index options work? It's new on Robinhood. I don't quite understand. This is different than trading. So here, or is it? So, okay. So right here we have the SPY, right? And I'm gonna let you know, I have traded index options. I've done it on Webull. But an index option, for instance, we have the SPX. So these two are very similar in the way that they move. Here, let's actually go to a 1 hour on both of them. So they're going to be very similar in the way that they move. But instead of 586.41, this is 588.05. If you get used to the way they move, like notice up here, this is, hold on one second, we'll go to the same point in time. So at 2:30 on Thursday, December 24th, it was at 6,047. We go to the same corresponding time, Where is it? So that's going to be about right here. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm wrong. Wait, what day was this? Oh, that was December 26th. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I was going to say that's off. Okay, so right here, it's about... Oh, wait, wrong. Yeah, so right here, that's going to be about 6:01 on the SPY. Whereas on this, it's about 6:36. So kind of what I do, or kind of how I look at it, is if you take the number on the SPY and kind of move it over like a decimal, that's going to be about the same is what you can expect on the index options. So when it comes to charting it, you can kind of chart it similarly to the SPY, but like when you look at things like here, like say here, let's say say I see this demand zone on the SPY, and the demand zone is from like 583.47 down to 578. So that would give me a range kind of, I don't know, kind of like right here. In this range, yeah, what is it? Kind of like right here. So that would make this kind of a buy zone for me going off an estimate. And really, honestly, I wouldn't do a demand here, but I would just say, okay, I would look for a sweep of this low. Let me see. Where's it at? So I would look for a sweep of this low, see if we could sweep some liquidity. And then from there, I might look for a move kind of similar to this. And then for me, oh wait, hold up. Kind of similar to like this. So from here, you got a sweep of this low. If it ends up being a sweep of liquidity, say you target like a gap fill right here, you're able to kind of, that's a massive move index option wise. I haven't done it myself, but I had friends who would like target stuff like this with the daily contracts, and like they would pay like 10 cents and make like $800. So I'm gonna let you know I haven't done it, but it's very similar to the SPY, but it's not 24 hours, or you don't have the pre-market and after hours, so you see a lot more gaps. So that's still something I need to actually get a better hold on. Matt, I am at 1,700 subs. I would like to collab with you one day. How many subs would I need to collab with you one day? So it's not, honestly, it wouldn't be about subs. I guess it depends on what you do. Like shoot me a DM on Instagram. It's not necessarily about the sub count to me. I guess it's more about like alignment and like, I guess the value that we can add. Cause it's like, there are channels that have like hundreds of thousands of subscribers that it's like, I may not want to collab with them just cause I don't really find what they say to be of value or be of good alignment. But it's like, if there is good alignment, if I think, like for instance, I've had 1,700, I think you're like severely underrated. Hey, it's like, say I get to know you and I really rock with you as a person, yo, it's like we'll do something right away. But yeah, I wouldn't put a number on anything. It's like it's just like a feeling, and like just kind of, I don't know. And it's also like there has to be like a proposed idea as well. It's like I've collaborated with someone before. I would say he was like much smaller than me at the time, but his account is much larger than mine now. I wouldn't say he's as consistent, but it's like, what was I gonna say? We collaborated, but it didn't really make the most sense. It was just cool that we got to like meet up in person, but beyond that, it's like, I guess with the collaboration, you don't necessarily need to meet up in person. I think it's like just comes down to like having the idea and having a way to make it work and having a way that we can provide value to both of our audiences. Opinion on grab long. Here, let's see. Wait, okay, grab long. In Southeast Asia and surrounding countries, I see millions of grab transactions daily. I also use their service daily for personal use. Interesting. What is grab? Car and moto taxi food delivery. Oh, interesting. I used in Europe. I used like I can't even remember what it was called. Yeah, I can't even remember, but here, let's grab. Okay, so I see it says transportation. That falls in line with what you said. I mean, it has like a solid trend. I mean, it looks like it just broke whatever trend it has, but it's like I have no real like fundamental analysis on it. But yeah, looking at the technicals, like the next level, like the strong level support, it's gonna be about 390. But also, it looks like there are inefficiencies down to like 330. So it's like it would be a wait for me, and I would be more interested. Like I'd probably start, if I was really wanting it, start picking it up around 390, and then if I caught it around 330, I would load the boat. So Henry, how do you know support and resistance? So here, like looking at this chart, you can see there are different swing points on the chart. So like you'll see the stock has a kind of consistent move in direction, like right here, just falls down and then it swings and changes direction. So you got a swing point here, and then like when you kind of consolidate like that, it's a little less clear, but then you can see there is a level down here that you're getting a lot of touches. So pretty much anywhere where you have like a clear swing point or any level that's getting a bunch of touches, that's going to be a level of support or resistance. So kind of looking at it, you can see, hey, over here, we got a lot of touches at this level. So that right there, that can be a level of support. Over here, you got another area of a lot of touches right here. That can be another area of support. And then once again, you got some touches over here, like on this line over here, and it's like just kind of having like a bunch of touches. And it's like noticing, like, yeah, you get touches to the downside and it has a hard time going below. But some of these levels, they're also resistance. For instance, like this level right here, if we kind of take in draw level, one more over here, let's see. Move over and look at this right here. Like you get a touch here, some touches here, and touch here. Oh, well, I guess it just served as resistance, but sometimes it'll come around and typically whenever you break through resistance, resistance becomes support. So it's like really just noticing these swing points and seeing wherever, hey, the price is coming to that line a lot and it's like reversing or not getting above it. That's how you find your support and resistance. Yeah, similar to Uber or DoorDash. Yeah, that's seems like Grab really doesn't move much. I mean, if you think of it in terms of percentages, which is honestly how you should think of things in the market. I mean, from that like kind of $3 level, it's made an 87% move. So that's huge. It's like just because dollar wise it's not that much. It's like if you own some shares and like say you're in, like say you got in over here at the bottom, that's 144%. So if you buy at the right levels, yo, your returns are massive. I don't know why I always find that emoji funny, Henry. I always find it funny. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna have to call it a day because I got like some things to do before I do some things tonight. So, oh, hold up. Power noodles. Yes, I started buying at the 250 range and it's slow. I'm thinking five. Hey, that's how you do it, Skittles. That's how you do it. Buy some more. What's that baby called? I don't know. But yeah, buy some more babies for Christmas. And to people that are hearing this out of context, oh, it's called Baby 3. There we go. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, peace out. Hold up. I ain't drop anything for Lucky J today. Yeah, let's, yes. I don't know what's going on there, but yes. All right, so yeah. Peace out. I hit you. Lucky J, Skittles, Henry, LeVar. Oh, hold on. You said what's the latest on SPY? So SPY is just trading in a range. Like my target was for it to come down and hit this low. It may not. But yeah, we'll kind of have to see. Like I would think SPY came down to test this low. And other than that, you just kind of have to see where it goes from there. Yeah, no Hakeem today. Hakeem's enjoying his new year, so hey, let him do him. But hey, we still got the likes to a decent place. But yeah, anyways, appreciate y'all starting y'all's year off with me. Hope to continue to kind of do this thing together, family. But yeah, anyways, hope you have a blessed day. Matthew Mayo signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace.